Hi, I'm Steve Scott of the Whitetail Institute, and people plant food plots for a host of different reasons. The two main reasons that people plant food plots are to attract deer, which food plots will definitely do, and number two is for the nutritional benefits that food plots can provide, which will create a better quality deer herd for them to hunt. What people need to think about, and often don't, is the best way to improve the quality of their deer herd that they've got to hunt is make sure they address the dietary needs of deer during the spring and summer months. That's when deer are growing their antlers, does are gestating, growing their fawns inside them, and also lactating, providing milk for those fawns. And once the fawns are born, obviously, they're going to be building their bodies for the upcoming winter. The best way to provide the nutrients that these deer need is with quality food plots, and specifically probably perennial food plots, plots that can last 3 to 5 years without replanting, and are there for pretty much the entire year. By doing this, these food plots can provide high protein, and high protein is crucial to antler development, milk production, and also body development. For example, Imperial Whitetail Clover can provide up to 35% protein all year long, and it's available early in the spring, one of the first things to green up, all the way through the hard frost of winter. The reason it's important that we provide high protein in these food plots to improve the quality of our deer is typically natural browse is very low in protein, especially in some of the southeastern states. It may provide only 6, 8, 10% protein max, and a deer needs 16 to 18% protein in his diet every day to have an opportunity to maximize his antler development. By providing a food plot that provides up to 30-35%, such as Imperial Whitetail Clover, as he browses on the natural browse that's lower in protein, and then the higher protein food plots, hopefully we can get that average to that 16 to 18% to give him an opportunity to express whatever his genetic potential is.